Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable Windows Biometric Service in Windows 11. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Services. Then, open the Services app from the results. Once it's open, scroll down until you find Windows Biometric Service. The list is in alphabetical order, so it should be easy to locate. Double-click on it to open the settings window. Under Startup Type, select Automatic, then click Start under Service Status. Finally, press Apply and OK to save the changes. By doing this, Windows will automatically start the biometric service every time your computer turns on, allowing features like Windows Hello and fingerprint login to work properly. After that, go to Settings, then Accounts, and open Sign-in options. You should now see that Windows Hello is available. You can set it up using your fingerprint or facial recognition. And that's it. Now you know how to enable the Windows Biometric Service in Windows 11.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.